Access control policies are a type of security measures provided by APIG. You can use them to allow or deny API access from specific IP addresses or accounts. This video demonstrates how to create an access control policy on APIG to deny API access from a specific IP address. Before creating such a policy, ensure that you have created an API and published it in an environment. The general procedure includes 3 steps. First, create an access control policy. Second, bind the policy to the API. Third, verify the policy. Ensure that the created API has been published. Click Create Policy. In the Traditional Policies area, click Access Control, enter the policy name, set type to IP address, effect to deny, and enter the IP address. Click OK. Next, we can bind the policy to one or more APIs. We will use an API test tool to configure API calling. If the API fails to be called, access from the IP address is denied. If we unbind the access control policy from the API, access from the IP address is allowed and the API can be successfully called.